Okay, so this is feeding the 11 a little bit of canned food that they like. See if I can get a little bit, I'm always so awed by how they do this. Okay, kitties. Fill both the dishes. I'll get a better shot, less their buns, in a minute. When I can finish getting the other dish ready. Hold on, guys, there's more. There's more. Here's the other dish, come on. Here we go. Come on, Cookie. I call them all Cookie, except Panther and Lola. Hey, now be nice. That's all the babies eating. Here, baby, come on over here. This one looks just like Chester. Sometimes I call him Chester Jr. This one is Lola. Lola, adopted by Maria. Get right in there, darling. This one, adopted by Priscilla. This one, adopted by Colin. Let's see. Okay. There's the runt moving about, trying to get a better dish. Hey, kitty, come out from under that stool. Yep, good job. You're not going to get anything to eat if you don't come. Here, kitty, kitty. Lola. Oh, here's the Panther trying to get a better position. Oh, there goes Lola. Oh. What's wrong, Cookie? I might have to do one more, but I'll wait till after they come back from going out for a visit with Jen. Looks like they didn't get enough. Except for Lola, who's highly uninterested. No. Hey. Tori, don't let him out. I know it's kind of a pain for Noah for a minute, but...
Oh, it's fine. He's fine.
Oh, now Lola's hungry. Look how cute she is.
How are you this morning?